Inspect the nozzle's spout, the lever, and the handguard. Inspect the hose's swivel couplings, the rubber for abrasions and bubbles. Inspect the mag brake's white plastic, the steel plate, and the O-ring. Inspect the mag brake upper for damage. Inspect the whip hose for tears or bubbles. From the ground, use the stem in the middle of the cup to press on the check valve of the upper half of the mag brake. After the pressure is relieved, pour the fuel into the bucket. From the ground, line up the mag brake halves and twist and click to reconnect. Check to make sure that the white plastic is showing through the window.